Happy Monday, everyone. This is Martha with Nature Niche. This week, I want to share a really fun dragonfly that I found in my bird bath, the Cobra Clubtail. So, this species is named for the cobra hood-like club at the end of the abdomen. There are about 98 species of clubtails in North America and approximately 1,000 worldwide. They're primarily ground perchers, and they hunt from this ground position, flying short distances and then coming back to perch again. The Cobra Clubtail is a striking dragonfly of larger, swift rivers and streams. The one I found here, we were pretty close to the Pine River. And occasionally they can be found in large lakes, but more often they're in those swift river habitats, often rivers with sandy or silty bottoms. The dragonfly can be found on the wing or as flying adults late May through mid-August, and it's often found perched on plants, bushes, rocks, or the ground beside their river or stream breeding habitats. Mating occurs while they're perched on plants or shrubs or in the upper parts of trees. Females lay eggs by flying over the water and tapping or dipping the tip of their abdomen into the water to wash the eggs off. And they forage across herbaceous and woody vegetation, usually within a half-mile of their riparian breeding habitats. Dragonflies spend a significant portion of their life as aquatic larvae, and clubtails generally demand pretty high oxygen content in their water, and that restricts them to clean, fast-flowing rivers and streams. As far as identification of this particular dragonfly goes, they're about 2 inches long, and they're dark and have one of the widest clubs in our region, and it's approximately as wide as the thorax. Only the skillet clubtail has a wider club. They have dark green eyes with bold black face markings, thin stripes on top of the thorax with lots of black space between them. They have yellow top spots across segments 1 through 7. There's a side spot on segment 8 that's relatively small and doesn't reach all the way down to the edge, so has a black margin. And a larger side spot on segment 9 that does continue down to the edge with no black margin. Thinking at the landscape scale, as with lots of other wildlife I've talked to you about, it comes down to managing our aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems well. We need to manage our stormwater and keep our rivers and streams clean and free flowing. And we need to promote native vegetation along these riparian habitats. Things like maples and willows, birches, having sedges, rushes, water lilies, other aquatic vegetation available for this species to perch on, hunt from, and breed on. So keep that in mind, and I hope you get out this Memorial Day and get to see some fun dragonflies. Take care.